If the Person's Appointments checkbox is checked, all appointments scheduled for the selected person will be displayed in the list box. The list box background is green. The button below the row of checkboxes is titled Person's Appointments and is green. When you click this button, the program creates the contents of the list box on the Person Records worksheet. Activates the Person's Appointments worksheet and hides the input mask. The worksheet contains the selected person's photo, person number, first and last name, and 4 columns with appointments numbers, month of appointments, day of appointments, and time of appointments. The top right header of this worksheet displays appointments from the person number and the number of pages. This worksheet can be filtered. Click cell A3, select Home, Sort and Filter, and then Filter from the menu bar.